Hey friends, TUXX here. You know, I am super excited about this particular unboxing for you. This is a Kineon Move Plus Pro, okay? This is a device that uses red LED light, and lasers to basically help joint pain and find relief with the power of light, yes. And this type of thing where I'm someone who I do work, and I'll admit, I do take like ibuprofen more than I should, prescription ibuprofen. So this is a great product for me. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it in this video, and then in a future video, I'll have some follow-up comments or pin some comments down below for you. But this is how it comes. I will have a link also for you right below, so be sure and click that link to get yours at the very best price, okay? Now this comes beautifully wrapped. You can see this is perfect, very giftable. You know, the holidays aren't that far away, guys, so really not. So this can make a great gift for the holidays, birthday, Christmas, all sorts of things. Looking at the box, we have a beautiful picture of the device here. You can see this is one of several of these little pods that use lasers and light to heal, okay? More about that in just a little bit. You get 3 modules, 3 of them, okay? It has a travel case, which is really cool and has some really great benefits. I want to show you just in a little bit here. Has a charging deck, okay? Straps to basically strap it onto your leg, your arms, whatever have you, and a USB cable, okay? On the back here, it talks a little bit about it. Medical grade laser therapy for lasting joint and pain relief. And I have to tell you that, you know, I'm not that old, but I feel sometimes when I'm going down, like squatting down and then standing up, I'm like, oh God, you know, I can hear, and I can feel like my knees like kind of like crunch a little, the joints, you know, and it's like, oh God, you know, like this could really come in handy. And to get like red light laser therapy can be like $30 an hour. It can be very expensive, you know, and to get big commercial ones is thousands of dollars. So it's really amazing they offer this for around $500, okay? So really, really cool. This has proven relief, okay, from all sorts of chronic pain, inflammation. Those are my 2 big ones right there. All sorts of cartilage damage, it can help you with that. Tendonitis, wound healing and recovery. I mean, there's a lot of great uses for this particular device. So even if you're not someone who, you know, is doing some kind of recovery or wound healing, it can be really good just to help make you the best you are. Kind of like a life hack, if you will, okay? Safe, non-intrusive, non-invasive, enhanced light therapy, specially engineered to relieve joint pain. That's exactly what I need, okay? And to support your recovery, which is fantastic. Now, while there's a lot of uses for this, they do call out, it's really great for shoulders, knees, elbows, your ankles, and your wrists. But you can use these little pods pretty much wherever you want. Flipping around, you can see it again, very attractive box. Loving the blue, loving the black. Looks great. Let's go ahead and open this up. Let me grab my scissors here. There we go. Give us a little snippy snip. We'll go ahead and just kind of dive in here. I'm going to try and keep the box nice, as always. There we go. Cutting into this. I'm just going to rip off this little plastic like Christmas here. I am pumped for this, guys. I cannot wait. Now, I've been looking into this therapy for a while now, actually, and basically 15 minutes is about what you need for the maximum, to maximize your healing process. You know, you don't have to have it on for hours and hours or sleep with or anything crazy like that, you know, but more about that in just a little bit. This actually has a sleeve here. It looks like this pulls off. So it kind of slides off like that. Very cool. And on the inside here, we're greeted with a little welcome packet. Check that out. Leave us a review. What do you think? So it's cool they're actually encouraging people to go ahead and use this product. And I've looked into this product, and there are so many positive reviews from customers, you know, people who have used this, and this has helped them. I really have very high hopes this is going to be perfect for me as well, you know. And the fact that they give this little thing right here from the get-go, they're like, leave us a review. They really believe in their product, and they know that a lot of people are going to have some very positive things to say about this. And I could tell from reading the comments, they really do. Like, this product is excellent. You know, I would not trust, you know, strapping on some kind of weird, you know, Temu or AliExpress laser to my body, you know. But this is, you know, proven by science. These guys are really into this, and there's all sorts of videos on YouTube you can check out where the makers will talk about the science even more about this, like a deep dive, if you will. But it's cool they got that in the back here. Thanks for the purchase. Oh, there's the 2 guys right there. So there we have Forrest and we have Tom. There's some pictures, the little autographs, and basically our mission is to make to positively improve the quality of life for the largest number of people in a meaningful way possible. And you know, this channel's all about that too. Like the products I try and review for you guys are things, as I've always said, to try and help improve your life. And this is a really good one. This is definitely something which I've wanted to do, this life hack, for a while. Now inside here, there's a couple things. We have a quick start guide, and this is kind of like a little one sheet that just talks about what's in the box right there. Kind of shows you the straps, shows you the case, shows you the pods, everything. USB cable. You know I love new cables with new devices. It looks like they give us a cable, so that's awesome. Charging your device, shows the case, how you stick them in, very easy, and then goes through and it has a QR code. Very good for more information. Steps look extremely simple. Great little first use thing for syncing them. They are Bluetooth, and there is one that's marked as leader, and I will show you more about that just in a little bit, okay? But very cool, very easy to use, and if you need more instruction, they got it for you. They have a more in-depth book here for you. Now, they do ship to US and Canada, and I believe they will ship worldwide too. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, or I will have a link for these guys in the description down below, so be sure and click that link, okay? Looking at the book here, there's a few quick tech specs I do want to call out for you, okay? First off, the max output of the optical power, the density of this is 650 nanometers, okay? So that's really good. That's an excellent one for a non-like industrial, sub, $1,000 unit. That's excellent, actually. It uses a combination of LEDs and lasers, and the laser class is class 1. And I can tell you from my laser videos, if you go back in my queue, you'll see there's been some lasers I've had in the past that actually scared me a little. Class 1 is great. Class 1 is something that's very helpful. It's used a lot in medicine, recovery, that kind of thing. And also, it's the one that is least likely to injure your eyes. You do not have to wear, and of course, I'm not a doctor, but you don't have to wear laser glasses while using a class 1 laser item, to the best of my knowledge, okay? As far as other stuff goes here, lamp classification is exempt, okay? And going down here, talks about temperatures, talks about charging ports. This USB-C again, and that is USB-C to USB-A. We'll show you the cable in just a little bit here, guys. I'm sure it's going to be very easy. The battery is lithium ion, okay, and that's 3.7 volts DC or 650 milliamps, so that's excellent. Charging time is about 210 minutes or about 3.5 hours, okay, and that's great. And then it looks like everything else is right on there for you. Other things in the book, it does talk a little bit about what's included again, and gives you some brief instructions and procedures for use, okay? And again, if you guys have any particular questions, let me know, but it shows everything in here from charging to how to use the case, how to use the strap. Everything you need to know is right here up front for you, so that's excellent. Nice little book. And moving on to the box. Okay, we're going to pull this out here for you. There we go, and oh, look at that. Oh my God, that is good packaging, okay? I have to hand it to them. The device is awesome, but it's great they put thought into these little touches, like having the inside of the box blue, color matching the blue strap, zipper, and everything in this case. And I gotta tell you, it's a really nice, thoughtful thing for them to actually include a cool case for this too, because if you're traveling, this could be perfect for actually taking with you on... Oh my gosh, perfect for taking on travel. Sorry, I got sidetracked there. Check it out, guys. It actually has a USB pass-through for charging, so you can actually charge this while actually not taking the actual units out of the box, which is really great, thoughtful process. Very easy to charge, which is what I love. I love backpacks with pass-throughs, that kind of thing. But that is a really nice looking case. We got the Kineon Move Plus logo on the front. Again, awesome blue. We have the name here on the actual zipper. These are nice metal zippers, by the way, guys. Again, nice nylon. It's durable. And this is small enough, this could actually fit nicely into a backpack or actually strap onto some luggage or something. So very cool. Just hats off. You can tell when they put thought into little detail touches like this, like having an awesome case. Again, they really care about their products, so that's awesome. Thank you very much, Kineon. All right, let's go ahead and open this up here. We're going to hit the zipper, give it a little zippy zip all around, and check out the unit. Oh my gosh. Wow, look at that. That looks awesome, guys. This is like a soft touch rubber. Very, very cool. Let's go ahead and look at the accessories first. I'm going to go ahead and open this up here, and we have a little pouch for all the accessories. And inside here, we got a couple things for you. As mentioned, there is a strap, and this is a strap that you can use on various parts of your body. Okay, and the little pods here will actually put into this. So click in. We'll show you more about that in just a little bit. But very good. This is very adjustable. This is nylon. It's got little loops so you can make it bigger or smaller. So very cool stuff. and just have a little clip right here for buckling it tight. All right, digging a little deeper here into the pocket. Wow, I didn't expect this. Check it out. Okay, you guys know I love new cords with new devices. Not only do they include the USB-C to USB cord, okay, the fact that it has a Kineon zip tie for good cable management, they get points for that, but they get even more points for the fact that they have a color-matched USB cord to go along with the case. That is really awesome. If you guys have watched my other videos, you know, these little touches really are the spice of life to me. It really shows that they care, and this is one of the very few devices out of the box I've gotten that have a color matched cord to go along with the device. So chef's kiss. That is awesome. Mwah. Love it. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the length. The length of the cord is really nice and long, so you could easily plug this into a desk, or if you're at a hotel or something. We do a lot of traveling and stuff, and this could easily plug into, like, you know, somewhere in the little desk area by the bed or something, or end table, and still be able to make it over to the bed so you could wear it. And that's the important part, is that, you know, it's rechargeable, you know, but it's cool that it's long enough it can stretch too. More about that in just a little bit. Now, I'm really digging the idea that you don't have to take these out of the case to charge. Far too many devices you have to take out of the case, and it's cumbersome. This is very simple. We got the USB-C here. We're going to plug it right into the little hole already, and then again, this will go into the wall socket or a computer or power strip or whatever have you. But very easy to charge. Love the fact that it charges in the case, and the fact they have a blue cord with a blue device. That just makes me so happy, guys. Very cool touch. Now inside here, you see again, we have 3 pods, okay? So these are 3, and these again include lasers and red LED, this light therapy, okay? So these pop out just like that, and wait, holy, that's magnetic. Oh my God, that is so cool, guys. This is like a Surface Pro. It's magnetic, it just kind of pops in place. Loving that very satisfying click. So very cool stuff. And one of these is the leader one. I don't know if it's this one. Let's see here. Class 1 laser. Kineon, we got the power strip right there. We got everything we need. You know, it doesn't say on here. Oh no, it does. It does. Check it out, guys. Okay, so this one here has a little teeny L. I don't know if you can see that or not. So this is the leader. It's kind of like other computer systems, even like retail POS systems. There's kind of like a master. Okay, that's this one here. And these are like the slave units, the backup units. They're all kind of daisy chained together. So this is the one which is the master if you're just using one, or I should say if you have to resync them. The important part about this is you'd use this one to resync, okay? But really loving that magnetic touch. You can see they're very cool. They all have the power, they have the charger on the back, and love the fact that they just snap right in place. That is very handy and really safe for the unit too, because check it out. So if you take this and if you start bending this over here, you don't want your expensive little lasers to be falling all over the place. So it's great they actually stay in place magnetically. Absolutely, absolutely love it. Now this device here, let me see if you can pull this out. Now I think it looks like it's kind of grounded in the device, but I'm going to keep it in there. It looks like this might be able to be pulled out, but I don't want to mess with it because I really love the fact you can just charge it in the case. Now, syncing could not be easier. When you have this actually all together, you have your 3 in the pods in their little cradle. Okay, all you have to do is press this button right here, hit that, hold it in, and that syncs it. You hear the beep? Okay, so now they're syncing. And now what should happen, we're going to put this is the test right now, when you turn one on, it should turn them all on, which makes it very convenient if you're using all 3 of them to do an arm or a leg or something. That way you're not having to hit power individually on different units. So let's go ahead and check this out. We're going to pull out the first one. Again, this is marked as the leader, okay? We can see what looks like we have little, oh, that's great. We also have little light indicator to show the charge. Now it comes to this great little strap device here, and this is what will help keep the Kineon, you know, close to your skin to really target that light energy for healing, okay, which is awesome. The way you open this up is you just hit the little move button here. Looks like it's right on the edge. You click that, and this just opens right up, and if to close it, you just kind of stick it in. You hear a pleasing little click, hopefully. Let's see. Yep, just like that, very simple. And to adjust is very simple too. You just pull the little straps, and this is very customizable for a bigger leg, smaller leg, etc., etc. It's great, it does that. Now, as far as putting them in, it's very easy. We'll just open this up again, okay? And then you go ahead and take one of your pods. Love that magnetic feel, man. Oh, I love that so much. And this just clicks in place, just like that. Hear the click? Okay, so it's just like that. We'll pop 3 in, just like that. Excellent, and one more. There we go. And now they're all strapped in and ready to go for targeted laser healing. Now, once you have your lasers in place, it's very simple to power it on. Again, they're all connected. We're going to hit the power button once, and it should turn on all 3 of them. Let's go ahead and hit the power button here and see what happens. We'll give this a little pressy press, and it should beep. Oh, there we go. Check it out, guys. We are healing with the power of lasers now. I love the fact they all come on together, and this is where it'd be very simple to strap this on to an arm, leg, wrist, etc., etc. Not that you have to use this in the dark, but I do want to show off the power of these LEDs and the lasers. Now, the lasers are infrared, so you're not going to see like a dot, like a cat pointer or whatever, but extremely powerful LEDs. And this is even on just a small charge. This is not even fully charged from the factory. So very cool stuff, very bright. And, you know, you can almost, God, I almost feel like, maybe it's psychological, I almost feel like I can feel it coming through. So that is excellent. Let me go ahead and stick this on my arm. Now, the harness is really made for a larger area, like a leg or something, but you can see it is adjustable, so you can even take it down to a wrist size here, and you can see how that fits right around the wrist, and it's very easy to adjust to big and small, which is great. This actually feels really good, guys. There's no pain, there's nothing like that, and again, the ultimate time of using this, they say 15 minutes is just the right amount. It's like the sweet spot for the best therapy, and that'd be like a 15-minute session, maybe twice a day, and then over the course of time, it will get better and better. And I'm really looking forward to using this in my everyday life. In fact, with this case, I can easily take this to work, and on a lunch break, I could easily put this around my neck, around my arms, around my legs, whatever is giving me some grief. So that is very cool, and just really amazing tech that does this. And it will turn itself off at the right time as well. Now, when you turn this on, the first use you can see here, if you press the button here for 1.5 seconds, that will select 5 and then 10 and 15-minute therapy. So it gives you a choice to actually go 5, 10, or 15. So I would say 15, but you know, you can select what you want. It's great that it is adjustable too. Once you're done with your session, it's very easy to go ahead and put them back to charge. All you have to do, guys, is pop them right out. They should snap right out for us. Just like that. And it just pops right in place, just like that. Really loving that magnetic lock. That is really good. Pops right out, pops right back in. There we go. And we got one more to go here. We'll just pop it out, and that just goes back in. So very cool stuff. Now, another cool factor of this unit is the fact that if you have something like a targeted pain, like maybe like a toothache or something, you can easily just take out one of these, not using the harness at all, power it up. We'll go ahead and hit the power button here, and this will come right on. There we go. And you can put this against a toothache, a problem, you know, a problem area. Maybe your foot's hurting you or something like that. You can use it on a really targeted area, which is really cool, you know. And if you're someone who has common joint pain or inflammation, this could really be a lifesaver. And doctors will tell you taking Tylenol every day, you know, taking ibuprofens every day, like me, you know, is not the best thing. There's better solutions out there. And this is way cheaper than going to the doctor for a $30 an hour red light session. Now, some other great uses for this. I mean, if you have problems with working out, you get injuries, you know, commonly from sports or work, this can be great for that healing process. It gives you improved mobility and flexibility, which is super important, especially as you get older. This is, again, drug-free, non-invasive pain management, which is excellent. You know, it's the best case scenario for you. Taking Tylenol every day, taking aspirin every day is not good for you guys. It really isn't. You know, trust me on this. So it's the type of thing where this can actually solve that. And then another problem that people have is, you know, with tissue issues, you know, cartilage repair. This can help you for all of that, which is great. It's super portable, super easy to use, and I'm just loving this whole dock system. It's just really, really cool. So anyway, guys, if you have any questions about the Kineon Move Plus, please reach out to me, tuxtoys@gmail.com. I'm going to use this in my everyday life and do some follow-up questions or answers down below for you. You can feel free to email me, tuxtoys@gmail.com, and I'd be happy to answer any questions for you. And I may do a future follow-up video on this down the road. But I am super excited, guys. Like, I've been waiting for this, and I love the fact, I love the case, I love how portable it is, love the fact it's got the color-matched USB. I mean, very cool, very easy to use, one pod or all the pods. It's just a great little device, and I'm really looking forward to inserting this into my everyday life, not just at home, but for travel too, okay? All right, friends, thanks for watching this video. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Click the link.